how to mix it up.
You can mix the colours.
Can we pull it apart?
Yeah.
We can pull it apart.
Yeah, make stuff with it.
I'm making a transformer. I'm making a... Are you making lunch or something, Gemma?
Hey! I am a transformer! Yeah!
Look, I'm making a sandwich.
What is it, Jacob?
Transformer.
What are you making, Gemma?
Sandwich.
Show me. Looks like a piece of cake.
I know. I need a yellow. You can use some. Yay. Sparkly. I need some yellow there. Some yellow there. And stick them together. And then sandwich.
That's brilliant. What's in your sandwich?
Cheese.
Oh, yum.
I need to make a plate. I need some green on top. I need all the colours. And that's cream. The green one is cream. I need some of this. Made a cake on a plate.
Yeah.
Where's the pink? I need the pink and purple. I need the pink and purple.
Take it apart and start again.
Okay. We can make a different thing. See, I need all this. No one did this for you yet.